Presenting Lava O14 4G smartphone. It is available in lively lavender and prism blue variants. It comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. It comes with anonymous auto call recording feature. Capture your moments with 13-megapixel AI dual camera with LED flash and 5-megapixel selfie camera with screen flash. Powered by Octa Core Unisoc T606 processor and Android 13 OS for best performance. The 5000 mAh battery comes with fast 18 watts charger. The box includes the smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, SIM tray ejector and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.